Hello, welcome to my class. Can you hear me? Yes or no? Very good. Can you see me? Yes or no? Very good. Okay, my name is Teacher Nadine. What is your name?
Lucy.
Can you please repeat that for me?
My name is
Okay. Is your name
Lucy.
May? Macy. Okay, it's nice to meet you, Macy.
Lucy.
Macy.
Teacher. Lucy.
Lacey.
Yeah.
Lucy. Okay, so sorry about that. Okay, your name is Lucy. Okay, it's nice to meet
Nice
you,
to meet
Lucy.
you too, teacher.
Okay. So, let me give you your first reward. Okay, so I'm going to give you a star for your first reward because you did a great job.
Thank you, teacher. Hello.
Hello, I'm just typing in your name is Lucy over here. Okay, Lucy, how old are you? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
I
or
am
10?
9 years old.
You are 3 years
9
old?
years old.
You are 9
Yes.
years old. That's perfect. Well done. Good job. Okay, I'm going to give you a carrot for your second reward because you did a good job. Okay, so 6 years old. Wow,
Teacher,
that
I said
is
9, not
great.
6.
Sorry, 9 years old. That is great. Okay, let's see now. Okay, so teacher likes to ride horses and play basketball. What do you like to do?
Paint.
You like to paint. Good job. Well done. Okay, I am going to give you a bunny for your third reward because you did a great job. Okay, so you like to paint. Teacher likes to play basketball and ride horses. Great. Okay. So, Lucy, do you like colors? Yes or no? That's great. Teacher's favorite color is purple. What is your favorite color?
Is green.
Your favorite color is green. That's great. Well done. Give you a trophy. Yay. Good job. Well done. I'm going to give you a ribbon for your 4th reward because you did a great
Thank
job.
you.
It's a pleasure. Okay, so your favorite color, I'm going to just write it in. Green. Perfect. Okay, so for today's lesson, we are going to talk about Rainbow Bridge 1, Unit 2, Lesson 13, Colors and Shapes.
Yeah,
Are you ready to start the class? Great! Then let's start learning English. Okay. How many colors are in the picture? Let's
Okay.
find all of them. Okay. Repeat after teacher. Okay.
1,
1,
2,
2,
3,
3,
4,
4,
5,
5,
6.
6. Great. That's a great job. So how many colors are in the picture? Great. Now repeat after teacher. There are 6 colors
There are
in
6
the picture.
colors in the picture.
That's amazing. Wow. Well done. Absolutely brilliant. Okay. Oh, sorry, teacher's losing her ears there. Okay, so I'm going to give you, let's just get this on. I'm going to give you a starfish for your 5th reward because you did a great job. Okay, so on page 8, let's see. Okay, listen to teacher and read. Okay, let's start with the first color. Repeat after teacher.
Yellow.
Yellow. Yellow.
Yellow.
Yellow. Great. Okay. I have 2 examples for the color yellow. Repeat after teacher. The ruler is yellow. Very good. Wow. Okay. Repeat after teacher. The duck is yellow. Good job. Well done. Okay. What is the color of the ruler and the duck? That's great. Well done. Okay. I am going to give you some grapes for your 6th reward because you did a great job. Well done. Okay, let's continue with the second color. Repeat after teacher. Blue. Well done. Okay. I have got 2 examples for the color blue. 2 examples. Okay. So repeat after teacher. The flower is blue. Very good. Repeat after teacher. The cube is blue. Repeat after teacher. The cube is blue. Well done. Very good. Okay, so Lucy, what is the color of the
Blue.
flower and the cube? Very, very good. Well done. I am going to give you a monkey for your 7th reward because you did a great job. Well done. Okay, let's continue with the 3rd color. Repeat after teacher.
Pink.
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 Pink. There we go. Fantastic. Well done. Okay, so I have got 2 examples for the color pink. Okay, the first one. Repeat after teacher. The egg is pink. Very good. Okay. Repeat after teacher. The book is pink. Very good. Okay. So Lucy, can you tell me what is the color of the book and the egg? Very good. Well done. I'm going to give you a medal for your 8th reward because you did a great job. Okay, let's continue with the 4th color. Repeat after teacher. Green. Very good. Well done. Okay, I have 2 examples for the color green. 2 examples. Okay, repeat after teacher. The leaf is green. The leaf is green. Very good. Okay, repeat after teacher. The string is green. Very good. So Lucy, can you tell me what is the color of the string and the leaf? Very good. Well done. Well done. I am going to give you a ladybug for your 9th reward because you did an amazing job. Well done. Okay, let's continue with the 5th color. Repeat after teacher. Purple. Very good. Well done. Okay, so I have 2 examples for the color purple. Repeat after teacher. The ball is purple. Very good. Repeat after teacher. The necklace is purple. Very good. Lucy, can you tell me what is the color of the necklace and the ball? Very good. Well done. I am going to give you a smiley face for your 10th reward because you did a great job. Now, we are going to play Look and Match. Look, the duck is yellow. I'm going to match the color yellow with its word. Yellow. There you go. Okay. Lucy,
Blue.
what is the color of the flower? Very good. Now, Lucy, can
Yes.
you match
Yes.
the color with its word? Oh, there we go. Well done. Perfect. Okay. Well done. Look, the egg is pink. I'm going to match the color
I'm
pink
back already.
with its word. Oh, well done. Okay, perfect. Oh, wow. You are fantastic. Okay, we've matched all of them.
Already time.
Great.
I have another task to do.
I'm sorry, Lucy, what was that? Can you repeat? Okay, perfect. Let's proceed to the review part. Okay. So, Lucy, let's review the 5 colors. Let's look and read. Repeat after teacher.
Yellow,
Yellow,
blue,
blue,
pink,
pink,
green,
green. Very good. Purple,
purple,
purple. Very good. Okay, so Lucy,
teacher, I need to
let's
go
play a
now
game.
because I have another class. Thank you, teacher.
Okay, thank you so much.
Bye.
Enjoy. See you next time.